everyone, it's Janon German, Charleston's concierge realtor, and I'm here with another impromptu but amazing video with another fantastic partner in my real estate world, in our community, the design community. I'm here with
Jessica. Hi, I'm Jessica Miner. I'm here at the Charleston Design Center, and we are currently hosting your wonderful event tonight.
having a wonderful event here, and I figured, while all of this excitement is happening, why don't I just grab you and do a video so that you can tell my followers, viewers, friends, homeowner clients all about what's happening here at the Charleston Design Center. So I love it. I know the space, but tell us what's going on here.
Yeah, well, thank you again for being here. So, the Charleston Design Center is here in North Mount Pleasant. We're right next to the Mellow Mushroom, and this is kind of a rebrand. So It looks like we're a little bit new, but we've actually been doing building materials and working with homeowners and doing commercial and residential for over 25 years. We specialize in the Caribbean, actually. Yeah,
Okay,
I don't think you knew that.
I did not.
So we're under Source Consulting. Yeah.
Okay.
So we know everything from windows and doors to floors to cabinetry, as you see.
Yeah, countertop,
Yep.
the works.
And working,
Appliances.
working in the elements, all the surfaces, the specialty surfaces. And so a few years ago, our owner, Chris, came into this space, and we started off with the counters area, the kitchens. So we do full kitchen design. So for homeowners for renovations, or if you were doing a new build. And we also have a flooring division. So that's everything from the vinyl, the LVT, hardwoods, reclaimed wood.
Under one roof,
Yes.
which makes it convenient for my new buyers that you just bought your home and want to start personalizing it, putting some special you touches on your space. This is where you want to connect, right here.
Absolutely. So we are open to the public, and there's usually someone in here who can help you if you're a homeowner. I primarily work with interior designers and builders.
Okay.
So I bring them in. Yep. We do tours. We want you to come in. We want you to know the space. The interior designers like to bring their clients in.
So you can feel what's here and like see it up close and personal, because there's a little bit of everything all right here. I love how you have the samples and just get your hands on it.
And I know you like a lot of collaboration.
Yes,
So
that's
Chris,
important.
our owner, has really developed this big collaborative space. We work with local Glass Eco, MVP Granite, Mercer Tile, Carolina Lighting and Lantern. I'm trying to think of ones that represent Zuma Imports is in
Zuma, I see them.
Stephen Shell we're sitting on.
Okay.
Stephen Shell.
Everyone together,
Yes.
all working together to provide the best services and products for homeowners. If you're buying something new, if maybe you're putting the special touches on for the summer, getting ready for your next move, this is someplace you want to check out.
So thank you. Say hi. Sure. We'd love to see you.
And telling us all about the event. If you have questions or want more information, you can reach out to me, Janon German, Charleston's concierge realtor. We'll make sure we put the information on the screen somewhere. And Jessica, how can they reach you if they have questions?
Well, you'll tag me.
I'll tag you,
We're on
for
social
sure.
media at Charleston Design Center. It's got some hyphens in there, and then
put it on.
We'll tag. Yeah,
We'll put it. We'll tag you. Thank you. Awesome. Thank you. Bye, guys.